Hi folks, how are you all doing today? Today we're going to learn about how to create a theme changer. Okay, so when I say theme changer, I mean to say that changing the theme of the screen, right? So let's check out how to create this, right? So basically, let's see how to like with the switch, right? I'm gonna just change this thing. Okay, we'll do that. Before that, I would just like to remind you all guys that if you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you've not been watching my video series yet, please do go back to my channel, folks. Up there are so many playlists. Do watch all the playlists in sequence if you want to understand the concept and the content better, right? So I have multiple contents in place, like game development, app development, web development, right? And there are few programming concepts videos, and yeah, there will be so many things coming up in future, right? Yes, this is all. So let's start our theme changer app today. Okay, let's see what exactly I'm trying to tell you, right? So first thing, let's give some background color to our screen. Okay, I'm just styling the screen now. So let's choose a blue color. Okay. I mean, I'm a little picky and choosy, right? So I was just thinking of which colors to, take and which color to switch it to. Okay. So you can absolutely add a background picture as the background of your screen, right? But today we're actually doing something related to theme, right? So I just want it to be colors only so that you can actually see the switch. Okay. Vertical alignment. So maybe I would prefer space around. Um, I don't think any other thing I will be needing today. Okay. So I'll just get a button first. This is to just show you the thing. Okay. Like any of the components, whatever I'm using on my screen today, aren't functional. Okay. They aren't functional, right? So I'm just using a label and then then I will be using a switch. Okay. So I think I will just use these components. Okay. To do this thing. First, on the label, I'll just say this is a sample. This is a sample. And then let's change it to 25. And let's change the color from black to white. Okay. So let's design our button. So on button, I would say sample. Let's rename this button as sample button. Okay, let's rename this label also as sample label. Let's click on the button. I think I'm not going to change any other thing. Let's change it to font bold, font italic, and raised. Because I don't know why I like these type of buttons actually. Okay. So that's why I'm just styling it like this, right? So basically the basic things we are styling on the label and button. Okay. So I just gave text, I just gave the font size, I changed the color, all right, and then nothing else on the label. On button, I just gave the text, I just changed the rename the button, okay, and then I have given font bold, italic, and raised. Okay, that's it. Very basic and simple style, right? Now, now I have the switch. So this is theme switch. Okay, so theme switch. Okay, let's give small letter. I mean, I'm just following camel casing, that's all. Okay, don't worry. Even if you write capital letter, nothing will happen. So, value, visible, tint, color. So, value is for now it is true. Visible, it is also true. That means both are actually true, right? Tint, color, let's say green. You'll not see it now. When you execute it, then you will see it. Like I'll just show you. You can see this is the tint color. It's in green color. Okay. Then on tint color, let's suppose I'm giving brown. So this is the on tint color and this is the tint color. Okay. Thumb tint color. So let's suppose I will give orange. Okay. Thumb tint means when you touch and move it, right? Then, so, okay, this is tint color. This is thumb tint color and this is on tint. Okay. So, right. This is tint color. This is thumb tint and this is on tint. Okay. Nice. Now what shall we do is, let's whenever you click on the switch, right? So let's say value is false for now. When you turn on the switch, right, then what shall we do is we'll switch the theme of this screen completely. Okay, that is what I mean by theme changer. Okay, so let's change the theme of the screen. Now coming to blocks, so when theme switch on value change, okay, so on value change, then what shall we do is, first thing on the screen we have to do, so theme changer is our screen. So set themes background color as let's say red color, okay, and then sample buttons background color. So let's set sample buttons background color as yellow. Okay. Sample buttons text color. Text color was white. White doesn't really suit yellow. So that's why I'm just changing it to black. Okay. So basically, theme changer is the screen. So I'm changing the screen's background color to red. Sample buttons background color to yellow. Sample buttons text color to black. Okay. And then sample labels text color, that means sample labels color. On the label, we don't really say text color, we just say color. So let's write black only on this also. Okay. I think we changed everything, right? So let's just click on live test and check this. Okay, so now we have these things like this. When I just click on the switch, when I turn it on, you can see it is changing the background color. It is changing the text color to black. It's changing the button background color to yellow and text color of the button to black. Wow, absolutely true. It's working, right? So again, if I do this, it's not working, right? So to do that thing, what shall we do? Okay, let's see. Now we only wrote on value change, right? So if we specifically tell our computer that if the value is this, then do this, else then do this. Okay. So this is when we have to use conditional statements. Okay. So conditional statements are the logic statements or the logic elements, or that we can say decision statements, decision making statements, which we can use to take decisions in your program. Okay. So let's go to control. I'm just getting if else, right? So let's place this inside this. What will be the condition here? So let's go to logic and get the logic block, right? So if new value, so new value means, or let's not take new value. So let's go to theme switch and get switch value, right? Theme switch value equal to true or false, right? So we have first set it to false. That means it becomes true. Okay, when you switch it on, it becomes true, right? Like let's go to design. See, now when you click on the switch, the value is false now, right? So now it is false. When you click on it, it becomes true, correct? So that's why what I'm writing, if theme switches value is true, is equal to true, then what I want to do, I want to set this theme. Okay. So I'll just copy paste them. Else, that means if it is not true means it means it is false. If it is false, I want to set the background color as blue color, right? And then sample buttons background color also will be blue color, right? And then sample buttons text color will be white color, and sample labels. So the labels color will be white color, correct? So let's just check it. Live test this. Okay. Yeah. Now, when I just click on it, it becomes true. So this is changing to this one. When I again click on it, it becomes false now. So it is actually changing again back to normal. Okay. I did not choose the correct colors, right? So that's why it is like this. But don't worry. Basically, the concept is for you to understand. We can actually make it go back also. Okay. So yes, it is going back, in fact, if we have to talk, right? So like this, like this. Wow. It's changing the theme. The complete screen is changed, right? So this is how we can create a small theme changer app. Yeah. This is like a sample. I've created this. You can use the same concept, right? In any of your apps if you want a theme changing kind of a thing, right? Not only with the switch you can do this, but also with a button you can do this, right? So how to do it with a button? Let's just discuss the logic. I'm not really going to do that here. So when you click on the button, if you're doing this thing, right? So when you again click on it, you can change it back to this using the conditional statements. You can do it. You like just try to use a flag variable maybe, right? So if button equal to like button is clicked equal to true, then do this. If it is false, then do this, like that. Okay. So you can also do it like that, right? So I like, I mean, I actually used switch because I wanted to tell you guys about the switch, right? Switch actually has only two values, true or false, like you can see. And these elements we might have used in so many apps also, right? Even in our phone, we have most of the things like switches only, right? So just to on and off kind of a thing, right? So even in the app the switch is same thing. It's like something which is on and off kind of. Whenever you have something related to that scenario, you can actually use switches. Okay. I hope you understood this, guys. So this is all from my side today, right? You can actually implement more and you can be more creative. You can actually change images also, right? So from one background picture to another background picture, yeah. So anything, basically anything you can set using this, right? Not only the background color and all, right? You can do more and more. Okay. So if you're doing anything creatively, please do share all those projects with me. Today, I will also give you the idea of how to share your projects. So you just have to click on share, click on generate link, and copy this link which will be generated here, copy button. Okay. And you can paste it anywhere to share it, right? So this is how you will have to copy the link and share it. Okay. So, and this is all about our theme changer. I hope this was helpful and this is cool, right? It's a small concept, but it's very nice, right? So, yeah, this is all about our today's app, and let's meet in the next session. Till then, you know what you guys have to do. Please do go back to my channel, Folks Hub, and do watch all my videos in sequence and playlists, right? So thank you so much for watching, guys. I will be back again with another video. So until then, please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Folks Hub. Bye bye, guys. Have a great day.